Hi everybody. I want to thank you all for the hard work you do in our communities every day and for being here to talk about what the Affordable Care Act means for middle-class families. There are two main things Americans need to know about this law, and we need your help spreading the word. First, if you're one of the nearly 85% of Americans who already have insurance through Medicare, Medicaid, or your employer, you don't have to do anything. The Affordable Care Act just gives you a wide array of new benefits, better protections, and stronger cost controls that you didn't have before. Things like kids' checkups, flu shots, and mammograms are now covered at no cost. Young people now have the option of staying on their parents' plan until they're 26. And insurance companies are now required to spend at least 80% of the money you pay in premiums on your health care, and to give you a rebate if they don't. All that is in place right now for Americans who are already covered. Which brings me to the second point. If you're one of the tens of millions of Americans who don't have insurance, beginning October 1st, you'll be able to choose from a menu of quality, affordable private health insurance plans in new online marketplaces. Insurance companies will compete for your business, which means more choices and more affordable premiums. And if you can't afford a plan, you'll get help reducing out-of-pocket premiums with the largest healthcare tax cut for working families in our history. But to take advantage of these marketplaces, folks need to sign up. We need community leaders like you to share with people what the Affordable Care Act means for them and help even more Americans sign up for coverage. And you can go to healthcare.gov to learn more. That's healthcare.gov. Because quality, affordable healthcare, that's not a privilege, it's a right. And together we can make sure every American has access to the care they need, when they need it, at a price they can afford. So thanks again for your help, and let's get to work.
That's it for CMS.